EvilTrace. Autonomous DFIR agents are fast, but they fabricate. EvilTrace is the fix. It doesn't just find the evil, it proves how it found it.
One command starts the investigation, no human in the loop. The agent plans, runs the forensic tools, and reads its own results. Every turn shows three things: its reasoning, the exact tool call, and the token cost. Now watch the failure handling. It asks for a file by the wrong name, and the system refuses. Instead of guessing again, the agent reads the parser's own output, finds the real file name, and reruns it clean. It investigates the error. It doesn't paper over it. Then the agent declares the case complete, and the gate says no. The report hasn't been validated yet. This is where the yes has to be earned. The memory leg gets the same scrutiny. Every finding checked the same way. The validator is pure Python. It never calls a model. It reopens every cited line and rehashes the source against a seal taken before any AI ever saw it. Here's the disk leg, p.x, grounded, and procdump, the credential dumping tool hidden in the user's dashlane folder, certified grounded. Nobody pointed the agent there. It surfaced on its own. The gate reruns, and this time all three checks pass. It accepts. 4 synthetic clues planted nowhere in the evidence, 4 refusals. A made-up indicator can't reach grounded. On a second host it had never seen, the agent found the web shells on its own. And one finding, I believe, is actually true, still ships as unverified. Because a bare directory name isn't something the system can mechanically prove from a single line. That refusal is the product working, not failing. And it'll refuse its own work, too. Change one character in a citation, and that finding flips from grounded to unverified, while the integrity seal still reads verified, because the evidence wasn't touched, only the claim was. 2 separate axes, and it caught the lie. The same sealed tool layer is exposed as a custom MCP server, here, registered with Claude Code. I query amcache for procdump, 3 hits, each with a line citation and the binaries SHA1 hash pulled from the sealed run output. Notice the CSV SHA 256 field reads null. That's graded integrity. The input artifact's seal is verified. The past CSV was never sealed, and the system says so instead of stamping it verified anyway. Then query findings. 7 disk findings, 5 grounded, 2 inferred. The audit chain stays untouched. Queries verify against it. Executions append to it. The log's last entry sits exactly where it was before this session began.
Here, 7 disk findings, 5 grounded, 2 inferred. With the second host and both memory legs, the case files carry 18 in all, 14 grounded, 3 inferred, 1 honestly unverified. Every grounded conclusion traces in one unbroken line from the report down to the hash-sealed evidence. Break that line anywhere, and it doesn't ship as grounded. EvilTrace doesn't just find the evil, it proves how it found it.